Today we're comparing Fourthwall and Printify, two leading print-on-demand platforms. Choosing the right service can transform your online store success without the hassle of inventory management. We'll explore both options briefly. Fourthwall and Printify both offer print-on-demand solutions, but their core difference lies in focus. Fourthwall combines e-commerce and creator tools for direct fan engagement, while Printify operates as a large marketplace connecting you to numerous print providers worldwide. Fourthwall is a print-on-demand platform designed specifically for creators and influencers who want to build direct relationships with their fans. It integrates e-commerce, merchandising, and community features in one place. Fourthwall handles production, shipping, and customer service, allowing creators to focus on content and engagement. The platform offers customizable product options like apparel, accessories, and home goods, all printed on demand with no upfront inventory. Fourthwall's strength lies in its seamless integration of sales and fan interaction, making it ideal for creators looking to monetize their audience directly. However, it has a more limited product catalog compared to larger platforms and is primarily focused on creators rather than general merchants. Its pricing model includes a monthly fee plus transaction costs, which might not suit casual sellers. Overall, Fourthwall works best for content creators who want a streamlined way to sell merchandise while nurturing their community without managing logistics. Printify is a widely used print-on-demand marketplace connecting sellers with a global network of print providers. It offers a vast product catalog including apparel, home decor, accessories, and more with multiple printing options. Users upload designs, select print providers based on location, pricing, and quality, then integrate Printify with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify and Etsy. Printify handles production and shipping, allowing sellers to scale without inventory. The platform's strength is its flexibility and broad product range, making it suitable for entrepreneurs, small businesses, and hobbyists. However, quality and shipping times can vary depending on the selected print provider, requiring careful management. Printify offers a free plan with basic features and a premium subscription for discounts and additional tools. It's ideal for sellers wanting variety and control over print partners, especially those managing multiple stores or diverse product lines. Printify is less focused on community features and direct fan engagement, positioning it as a more traditional print-on-demand service for general e-commerce. Comparing Fourthwall and Printify highlights different priorities. Fourthwall excels for creators seeking an all-in-one platform that merges merchandising with fan engagement, perfect for building a loyal audience and selling exclusive products. Its curated product selection and integrated tools simplify managing a creator-centric brand, but come with higher costs and fewer product options. Printify, on the other hand, offers unmatched product variety and access to multiple print providers worldwide, ideal for sellers prioritizing product diversity and competitive pricing. However, it requires more hands-on management to ensure consistent quality and delivery. For example, a YouTuber or artist might prefer Fourthwall for its community features, while a small business owner or multi-store seller would benefit from Printify's flexibility and scale. Both platforms eliminate inventory hassles but differ in approach. Fourthwall focuses on creator commerce, Printify on broad e-commerce integration. Choose Fourthwall if you are a creator focused on fan engagement and want an integrated platform to sell merchandise without managing multiple tools. Printify is the better choice for sellers seeking extensive product options and global print provider access, especially if you want to scale multiple stores. Both platforms simplify print on demand, so pick the one that fits your business model and growth goals best.